Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off chat on Wix. So let's get started. So by turning off the chat, we will be deleting this button right here. So you can see this Let's Chat button. Once you have clicked on that on your published page, you'll be able to chat with the website owner or on the admin of that specific website. So if you don't want this feature right now, let's just click on this feature. Then as you can see, it will open and then this will select the Wix chat. Now what you can do is you can actually just click on the delete button on your keyboard or just click on this more actions right here. So once you have clicked on more actions, you can also see this delete button. So click on this delete button. Then as you can see, it will load for a while before deleting this specific Wix chat. It is integrated on every page of your website, so you may need to delete that. So as you can see, it has been deleted, and once it's been deleted, you can now publish your website without that specific chat button. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped with the delete chat option and link. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon!